Dear learners, let us discuss chapter and book writing in this section. In creative writing, there is no age, no qualification required. You can start at any time, you can write anything. But here, we will limit ourselves only to the academic chapter and book writing. The books or book chapters, these books may be textbook, reference book, review book of a standard text, edited text, reference book or practical book. Research groups can plan good chapters for book. A good team is needed. Book chapters you can contribute in an edited book. Book chapters you can contribute in an edited book. If your supervisor, mentor, collaborator is the editor of a book under development, you can plan a chapter. Sometimes major publishers invite potential authors for contributing in a book. So let us see the process of chapter or book writing. The first step is pre-planning, targeting book, subject, level, type and publisher. Then proposal writing, submission and peer review, including and addressing the comments of publisher after review. Copyright agreement, time-bound writing, submission, formatting by publisher, proof checking, revision, final check and the final print. So let us discuss pre-planning. Pre-planning, we are discussing the things considering the fact that you have done the exhaustive literature review and you have a certain topic in your mind, then what would be the first step? Planning the type of book, whether you want to write an authored book or edited book, textbook or reference book, you will have to decide at this moment only. For book chapter, it may be regarding the type of chapter, like whether the chapter is thematic review, critical research paper, it must be planned. Firstly, targeting publisher. Select the publisher on the basis of the geographical presence at national and international level. Select the publisher on the basis of its reputation, experience, number of books published, subject of books, type of books. Think and then decide. Secondly, see the policy of the publisher. Policy about what? Policy about copyright, condition of reprint, e-book conversion and rate of royalty. E-book conversion means sometimes when the publishers are publishing the book in the hard copies, they tend to convert it into the e-book version. So the royalty must also be paid to the authors for the e-book version also. Okay? And the royalty is obviously the important thing here for your intellectual efforts. So decide the publisher on the basis of these factors. Now there comes the book proposal writing. If you are planning a book, the very first step, what you have to do, you will have to download the proposal form which is there on publisher's website and fill it up properly. In standard proposal form, The entries are starting with the title of the book or tentative title of the book. It may also include subtitles, and they should be focused to include key terms that readers would use if searching for information on this topic. Then comes keywords. Include key terms which are not there in the title or subtitle. We have discussed it earlier also. And reader will use these words for searching the information on the topic. Then comes your information, proposer's information, author or editor information. Specify if the book is authored or edited. Include address and contact details, qualification, experience, and a short biography for all book authors and or editors. Primary audience. What is your target learner? Please indicate the most relevant target audience or reader. Secondary audience. So describe your audience in as much detail as possible, like industry, sector, job role level, subject specialty, etc. Then background and purpose. It is the most important section. Please do remember. Provide a brief description of the book similar to what you would find on the back cover of the published book. So you will give that kind of information which you find in the back cover in general. What is your purpose in writing this book? You will mention here. And why is there a need for a new resource in this area? What problem does this book solve for readers? So it is very important to give the rationality of your book proposal, why you are writing it, and this section is the decisive section. Moving to benefits to audience with reference to the target audience listed above. So you can give the details of the information need and daily challenges of the audience relating to the subject or the book and how your book will address these needs, challenges or main points. List the main key features and content in your book that will be most valuable to the reader. You will highlight the USP of your book. Then competitors. Competitive, you will also give a list of books, websites or other information sources that would compete most closely with your book, and briefly describe how they compare and why readers would choose your book over the competition. Then table of contents you will have to give, including the chapter title and sentence of one or two related to the scope or initial content, plan for each chapter. If your book is edited, include the author's name along with the chapters. Then timeline you will have to give. Publishing the timeline, you must consider what you do, when would you able to submit the complete manuscript, or timing of the publishing the book in any conference or in any event. And so other factors which are important with respect to timeline can be described here. So lastly, what you have to, the major things, the best estimate will give regarding the number of pages, number of double-spaced Microsoft Word pages, or sometimes the total number of words, then the approximate number of figures, tables, tentative number, okay, or whether they are in color or not, other multimedia content, what we are using, audio, video files, maps, etc., which may add the value. So reviewer can also be proposed at last, because every proposal is peer reviewed, and sample chapter you must be ready with. Sometimes along with the proposal, sample chapters are required. So if asked, you can supply this sample chapter. So, effective proposal needs a good rationale and complete information about the proposal. Once you have written this proposal, submit it, wait for the reviewer comments, and then fill the copyright form as discussed with the publisher. We will see the further details about the chapter on book writing in the next section.